Welcome back students of class 3 to your e-learning class. This is your science class, as you know. In our previous class we are doing the question answer from the exercise of chapter 10. We have already started the chapter explanation completed, and we are solving the exercise. So today also I am here once again to solve out the rest of the question answer that is left from the exercise of chapter 10. So let me start now. This is chapter number 10, light, sound and force. Chapter 10, light, sound and force. Okay, and we are doing the exercise. So I'll write here exercise, page number. Okay, here's page number 72. Please refer to page number 72 in your science book. Okay, in the previous class or in the previous video we have already solved the section number D, that is very short answer question. Okay, today we will solve some of the question answer from short answer question E, section E, short answer questions. Okay, so this is E, short answer question. Okay, okay, question number 1, short answer question, solving the short answer question. Now question number 1 is, you can please see page number 72 in your science book. Okay, question number 1 is, what is force? So let me write the question. What is force? Okay, so this is a definition of the force. You have to write it down. So let me write a push or pull applied on a body. A push or pull applied on a body is called force. Okay, so a push or pull applied on a body is called force. Now let us go to the next question from section E, short answer question. Question number 2, what is noise? What is noise? So let me write the question. Question number 2 is, what is noise? Okay, what is noise? So your answer will be, sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. So answer is, sound that is loud and unpleasant, sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. So let us underline noise, and here also in the first question I have written force, and please underline force also. Okay. So this is your two question answer we have done now. What is force we have done? What is force? A push or pull applied on a body is called force. Then what is noise? Sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Okay. So okay students, today we have done only two question answer from the chapter 10, light, sound and force. Okay. In the next class we will be solving other question answer from the short answer question from page number 72 in your science book. Okay. Till then, goodbye to everyone and thank you.